Hello students, I am Ramanan. இந்த வீடியோவில் CBSE Class 10 R.D. Sharma Solutions Exercise 5.1ல Sum number 6 பார்க்க போகிறோம். In a triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So, fix the vertices from the given informations. Okay, this is Q. We can fix P either here or here. Okay, so I can fix this vertices over here, right? So the value of PQ is equal to 4 centimeter and RQ, this vertex is R, okay? So the value of QR is 3 centimeter. So find the values of sin P and sin R, secant P and secant R. So we have to find 4 ratios related, 2 related with sin and 2 related with secant, okay? If we want to find other ratios, we have to find the value of hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, okay, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is PR square is equal to PQ square and QR square. So the value has been given here. PR square is equal to PQ. PQ means 4 centimeter. 4 square. And QR is 3 square. Okay. So 4 square 16 and 3 square 9. So sum of these two values is 25. This is PR square. So we can get the value of PR like square root of 25, which is 5 centimeter. Therefore, PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. Now we are going to find the value of sin P. Sin P means the location of theta is here, right? Okay, so sin P. Sin P, ratio of sin P, general formula for ratio of sin P is perpendicular, which is opposite to this theta. Always perpendicular is opposite to this theta. This perpendicular side can also be called as opposite side. So QR by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree. Okay, so that is PR. So we can substitute the value of QR and PR here. QR is equal to 3 centimeter and PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is the value of sin P. Okay, now we are going to find secant P. Secant P. So this is the reciprocal value of cos P. Okay, the ratio for cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So for secant P, hypotenuse by base. Okay, value of hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and base means adjacent to theta. Okay, so which is 4. Therefore secant P is equal to 5 by 4. So next part is sin R. Now the location of theta is here. Okay, for your understanding I am giving a different color for this location, right? This is where the theta located. Now, so sin R is equal to opposite. As I have already told you, opposite is opposite to theta. So which is P by Q. Perpendicular, right? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse PR. So the value of PQ is equal to 4 centimeter and PR is equal to 5 centimeter. The next part is secant R. Secant R is base by hypotenuse. Base is QR, right? Which is adjacent to theta. Hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degree. PR. So value of QR is, so the next part is secant R. Secant R, the ratio of secant R is hypotenuse by base. Okay, so hypotenuse is PR. and divided by base is QR. So the value of PR is 5 centimeter and as well as QR is 3 centimeter. Okay.